Good morning, everyone. Myself, A. Divya from A&ds department, Vellalar College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to see about cybersecurity. Cybersecurity means protection of computer systems, networks and data from cyber attacks and unauthorized access. Then we are going to see about cyber criminals. Individuals or groups who use computers and the internet to commit illegal activities. Cybercrime is any illegal activity done using computers, mobile phones, networks, or the internet. Example, hacking, online fraud, identity theft, cyberbullying. Stealing personal identity is also known as identity theft. Identity theft is the act of stealing someone's personal information and using it without permission. Example, stealing bank details, passwords, email accounts, etc. Malicious program is also known as malware. A malicious program is harmful software designed to damage, steal, or disrupt computer system. Example, virus, worm, Trojan horse, ransomware, or spyware. Cybercrime is dangerous. Financial loss. People and organizations may lose money through fraud, scams, and unauthorized access. Data theft. Personal and confidential information can be stolen or misused. Privacy violations. Attackers can access photos, messages, and accounts. System damage. Malware and viruses can damage computers and networks. Classifications of cybercrime. Cybercrime can be classified into four groups: cybercrime against the individuals, cybercrime against the property, cybercrime against organization, cybercrime against society. Cybercrime against the individuals are illegal online activities that target a person directly to steal information, money, or cause harm. Example, spamming, sending unwanted or irrelevant emails to a large number of peoples or recipients. Cyberstacking, monitoring or following someone's online activities to threaten or harm them. Cyber defamation, spreading false or damaging information about someone on the internet. Email spoofing, sending mails that appear to come from trusted sources to deceive recipients. Phishing, fake emails or messages to steal passwords or bank details. Cyberbullying, threatening or insulting someone online. Cybercrime against property means illegal activities that target a person's computers, network, software, and data. Example, computer vandalism, damaging or destroying or alternating data and systems is known as computer vandalism. Example, deleting critical files from a server to disrupt operations. Transmitting viruses. Distributing malicious software are also known as malware designed to harm the system or steal data. For example, sending viruses via email to corrupt the files. Net trespass. Unauthorized access to private networks without permission. Example, hacking into company's internal system to steal data. Cybercrime against organization refers to illegal online activities that target companies, institutions, or organizations which may cause financial losses. For example, distributor denial of service attacks means overloading systems to stop services. Distribution of pirated software, sharing or selling illegal copies of copyrighted software, often embedded with malware. Email bombing, sending a large volumes of emails to a system to overwhelm and crash email servers. Trojan horse. It is a type of a malware disguised as an legitimate software allowing attackers to unauthorized access once installed. Cybercrime against society refers to illegal online activities that affects public social values or the safety and well-being of society as a whole. For example, spreading of fake news, sharing false information to create panic or confusion. Cyber terrorism, using technology to threaten public safety or services. Online gambling, illegal betting activities through the internet. Forgery, creating fake documents, identities or credentials using digital means. Forgery. Trafficking, using the internet for human trafficking or illegal trade activities.